Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers, where we're here to give you a word on barbecue, bourbon, and blues. And today, I have a special episode, all right? Not too long ago, I received some seasonings from Dad's Seasoning, and there's several of them. You have original, adobo, chili Dulce, classic American, classic French, lemon pepper, Nika barbecue, and salt and pepper. All right. We didn't purchase any of these. So we're gonna give an open and honest review on all the seasonings, and I'm gonna do it in a stages of a couple of videos because there's so many. Looks like great seasonings here. Today, I chose we're gonna do several different chickens. So I'm gonna do one lemon pepper, and I'm gonna do one chili Dulce. All right, and then we'll have another one, Nika barbecue, coming out shortly. All right, to show you how to mix up the paste and things like that to make it great. All right, because it's a recipe that goes with that. So I want to make sure I show you how to make the paste and all of that and give you all the examples, all right? So we're going to get into these, and I'll catch you back in a second. Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. All right, so we're back, okay? So as you can see, I spatchcock my chickens. If you don't know how to spatchcock, I'll explain it to you, okay? So you get you a whole chicken, and you're gonna take you a pair of poultry shears or a knife, and you're gonna cut out the backbone, all right? And then most times I make a little split in the breast so it'll lay flatter, okay? So now I'm gonna get into seasoning these things. I'm gonna use a little spray oil. You can use whatever binder you like. For these, I'm gonna use this spray oil. Just give it a light spray. And this will help your seasoning stick. All right. So, this first one, I'm gonna hit it with lemon pepper. It smells great too. All right, nice coat. The next one, I'm gonna hit with chili Dulce. Okay, that's a nice little coat there. All right, I'm gonna let that hang out for a minute. Just let it hang out. Let all of those seasonings start soaking into the meat on the backside of the chicken. Then I'm gonna flip it over and repeat the process, but I'm not gonna bore you with that, okay? I'll catch y'all out at the smoker. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel for us. Hit that like button, and send us some comments, man. Let us know what you think. We're here for y'all to make y'all the king or the queen of your neighborhood cookouts or your family reunions or whatever it is, tailgates or what have you. We'll catch you back shortly. Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. All right, so we're back. I'm out here in my Oklahoma Joe Bronco Pro. Got this thing rolling with some Kingsford charcoal, we only use the best, so I got my Kingsford. Rolling with a little bit of that hickory wood too. So I'm about to get these birds on here. All right. Lemon pepper bird going on. Chili Dulce going on. Close this bad boy down. Let it do its thing, all right? So I'm rolling this today at 300. We're gonna roll it till it gets to about an internal temp. I'm probably gonna pull it about 162 and then let it start resting and it'll carry over to 165. That's where you want chicken at, for it to be nice and juicy. And we'll be back to you. Once this is done, I might come back and show you in about 30 minutes where we are, all right? So catch you back in a second. Barbecue, bourbon, and blues with the Word Brothers. Ooh, it's cold out here today. Cold. All right, so we're back out here at the Oklahoma Joe Bronco Pro. It's been doing this thing for a while. I'm gonna lift it up. You can see I already got the chili Dulce off. It was sitting at 163. I got it off of there. Now let's check the temp on this one. And we are sitting at 163.2. So I'm gonna grab this off of here. All right. And as you can see, we got two beautiful birds. Chili Dulce over here to the right. We got the lemon pepper sitting backwards with the legs toward me to the left. Then we're gonna get them in the house. We're gonna let them rest for a minute. Then we're gonna bust them open and taste them and tell you how we like these rubs on these chickens. All right. Catch you back in a second. Barbecue, bourbon, and blues with the Word Brothers. It is cold out here. Gotta be like, I don't know, 15 degrees. I'm gone. All right, so we're back. We've done our chickens with Dad's seasonings. As you can see, the line, I'm gonna have the link in the bio for you guys to go pick these, check them out, pick them up. All right, we ran these at 300 on our Oklahoma Joe Bronco. All right, now it's time to do the taste test, right? And I'm excited because they look amazing. All right, and they smell wonderful. So I'm gonna give me a little piece of this white meat. Got my white meat on the Dulce. And I'm gonna get a little piece off of this lemon pepper. Alright. Oh, I'm tearing it up. Sorry, y'all. Alright, so now about to give you an honest opinion. I did the palm test with them. Tasted wonderful, okay? So I'm gonna start with the lemon pepper right here. You get the lemon, you get the pepper, and he's got something else in there. I'm not as, and maybe it's a it's like a little kick, but I'm getting all of that on the lemon pepper. I like it. All right. Now this is the one I'm really excited about. This chili Dulce. Let me check that out. Yeah, that one got a good punch to it. It's like that's got a good punch to it. So it's like a good seasoning. It's got you can taste the chili powder. You can get that pop for sure on the back end. That's good too. So I like both of those. Now I'm excited to try the BbqBourbon. That video will be coming up soon, where we do the whole paste thing and rub it on the chicken, let it sit for about 6-7 hours and then put it on the smoker. I'm excited for that one. But these two rubs, that lemon pepper and this chili Dulce, go out there and get you those, cause I can't tell you a story, just my honest opinion. They are good rubs. It's great quality. Go get it, all right? That's just my personal opinion. Your personal opinion might be different, but go get them. I think it's www.dadsseasonings.com, all right? And like I said, it'll be listed below. But we really appreciate them for sending these seasonings out. We're going to try them all. We're gonna do honest opinions of them all. Just these two, that lemon pepper and this chili Dulce, I like these two, and I'm very excited to do this Nika barbecue, because you do a whole recipe with the whole paste and everything. So I'm super excited to do this one. Can't wait. But these two seasonings, I like. All right, we'll catch you back on another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. Talk to you soon. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel with your friends. We'll really appreciate it. Peace. Going back in for some more.